Are you tired of the constant upkeep and maintenance of a home? Well, it's your lucky day. We're at a brand new build in Camdenton, just off Highway 5 at Tonka Villa Estates. This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Let's go check it out. Inside we've got 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,600 square feet, an open floor plan, and this beautiful kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, beautiful quartz countertops, and a large pantry. This really is the perfect family home. It sits on a very flat lot, there's a community swimming pool, and we've got a large driveway and 3-car garage. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or visit our website at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.